VA crawlers, 124 scale modifications, baby.
Episode 1, weighted wheels. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take this wheel from the 124 scale crawlers and I'm going to add lead weight to it so that it actually stays on the ground when it's side scraping or crawling. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take one of these. Each one of these is 1/4 ounce. I need to take one of these and cut it into 3 sections. You try to get as equal as possible. Doesn't always work out, but you try. Once you have your 3 little sections here, obviously they can't go into the wheel like that. So you take your needle nose, and where you see how it's got a point on it, you want to flatten that. So you take your needle nose and you just squeeze it down. It's real soft metal, it's lead, so it squeezes right down into a little micro bar. Just like that. Then you take one end, and with your other set of needle nose, or whatever pliers you have that can do this, what I do is I take the 2 needle nose and I stick them like this on the ends, and then I just twist 2 different directions, causing the weight to curve like that. Once that's done, then you take model glue, super glue, gorilla glue. You know, I wouldn't advise Elmer's glue, but you know, if that's all you got, go for it. So I take model glue. Did somebody squeeze my tube? And I put model glue around the edge here. And then you drop it into the curve of the wheel, mindful of the hub. You don't want to get the glue in the hub. Keep in mind also, you want these to sit overnight. Trying to do this and then going out and crawling, you might as well just wait. So you do that 3 times. Cut. So once you get all 3 of them and put into position, then it's time to bolt it onto the truck. The one thing that we do when we do this is we get a disc brake effect from the lead. So now we're going to bolt it onto the truck. Take our jack stand out of the way. Pretty sure this is a 4mm wrench. Now you've got a weighted wheel on the truck. This keeps it planted on the ground when you're doing side scraping, crawling, you know, that kind of stuff. It really improves the performance of the vehicle because these things are a little tippy, which they're a lot of fun, but they're very tippy when it comes to crawling over rocks and stuff like that. Later in the episodes, we'll have some crawling videos so you can see just the difference between weighted and non-weighted wheels. That's it.